In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate blog creation with Claude and Gumloop. We'll start inside Gumloop. First, log into your account, then click New Flow to create a fresh automation. Give your workflow a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, something simple like an automated blog writer. Once that's done, open the workflow editor because this is where you'll build the entire process from input to final export. Next, create the input fields your workflow will use. This is where you define what information the system needs before it can generate a blog post. Add fields for the blog title, the target keyword, the topic idea, and a content brief. These inputs help keep your content focused and consistent. For example, you might enter a topic like email marketing for small businesses, or use a keyword such as best email marketing software. After that, you can optionally add research steps. This part is not required, but it can significantly improve the quality of the output. You can set up nodes that collect information from websites, blog articles, search results, internal knowledge bases, or even PDFs and other documents. The goal here is to give Claude more context so the writing is more informed and useful. Once your inputs and research are ready, add an AI node using Claude to generate a blog outline. In the prompt, ask for a detailed SEO-friendly outline based on your keyword. Include instructions for an introduction, main headings, supporting subheadings, an FAQ section, and a conclusion. This gives you a structured framework before the full article is written. Then add another Claude node to generate the full blog post. Pass the outline into the prompt and ask Claude to write a comprehensive article with a clear introduction, SEO-friendly headings, actionable examples, an FAQ section, a conclusion, and a professional tone. This step produces your complete first draft. From there, add one more AI step to optimize the content. Use it to improve readability, grammar, formatting, SEO structure, and keyword placement while keeping the writing natural. This helps turn a rough draft into something much closer to publish ready. Next, generate supporting content for promotion. You can create a meta description, a social media caption such as a LinkedIn post, and a short email newsletter introduction. This saves time and helps you repurpose the article across multiple channels. After that, format the output for publishing. You might prepare it for Google Docs, WordPress HTML, Markdown, Notion, or another CMS-ready format. Make sure the structure is clean with the title, introduction, main sections, FAQ, and conclusion clearly organized. Then export the final blog wherever you want it to go, such as Google Docs, Notion, Airtable, Google Sheets, WordPress, or another CMS platform. This keeps your content workflow centralized and easy to manage. Finally, automate the whole process with a trigger. That trigger could be a new keyword added to a spreadsheet, a form submission, a content calendar update, or a scheduled daily run. Once connected, your flow can move automatically from